How to use Google Lens on iPhone. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Lens on your iPhone to search and identify objects in real life. So first, make sure you have the Google app installed on your iPhone. You can download it from the App Store if you haven't already. So once installed, open the Google app from your home screen. On the search bar within the Google app, you will notice a small camera icon on the right side. This is the Google Lens feature. Tap on it to start. Google Lens will now open your camera. Simply point your camera at whatever object you want to search, whether it's a product, plant, or landmark, and Google Lens will analyze the object in real time. Tap on the shutter button to capture the image, and Google Lens will instantly provide search results related to what you scanned, including links, descriptions, and suggestions. You can also use Google Lens on existing photos by tapping the photos icons next to the camera button and selecting a picture from your gallery. Google Lens will then analyze the image for relevant results. And that's how easy it is to use Google Lens on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.